Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to find the median of two sorted array. So first of all, we have to merge both the array. So let's merge. First, we'll create the one new array, merged array with the length int array1 dot length plus array2 dot length. Then create a variable int k. So variable I will denote the index of array1, variable j will denote the index of array2, and k will denote the index of merged array. Now we'll use while loop to compare both the array, and after comparing we'll add the element into merged array. So let's see. So in while loop we'll put condition I is less than array1 dot length and j is less than array2 dot length. Inside this we'll compare the element. If the array1 of I is less than array2 of j, then we'll assign the array1 of I to merged array at kth index. After that we'll increase the index of I. Okay. In else, if this condition will be false, okay, then merged array of k is equal to array2 of j. Here we'll increase the index of j, and in the end we'll increase the index of k. Okay, so next what we will do, we will copy all the element from array1 to merged array. Same thing we'll do for array2, and we'll increase the index here, not k, here j. Okay, now we have merged both the array into merged array. Now execute and see what is the output. Okay, arrays dot toString merged array. Let's execute. Yeah, we got our merged array. So this is merged array. Let's calculate the median of this array. Okay, to calculate the median, first we have to check the length of merged array. Okay, if the length of merged array is even, then the median will be average of two middle element. If the length of merged array is odd, then the median will be middle element. Okay, so let's calculate. If merged array dot length mod 2 is equal to 0, means if the length of the array is divisible by 2, then we calculate the average of two middle element. Okay, so let's say declare one variable double median is equal to 0. Here we'll assign the median is equal to, first what we have to do, we have to find out the middle element. Okay, so two middle element we have to find out. So actually here the length is odd. Okay, so simply we have to find out the middle element, but assume in case if the length is even, then what we have to do, we have to find out the two middle element 3 and 5, then we have to calculate the average. Okay, so let's find out the two middle element. So here first what I will do, merged array dot length plus merged array dot length divided by 2 minus 1. So what it will do, so it will calculate the length is 4 divided by 2, it will 2. Okay, so what it will return, it will return 5. Okay, because at the second index the element is 5. What this will do, it will return the index at 1. Okay, after that we'll calculate the average. Here divide by 2.0. Okay. In else, just simply we will return the middle element. Okay, so it will divide and it will return the middle element. Okay, now print the median. System.out.println. Okay, let's execute and see. Yeah, we got the middle element because the length of the merged array is odd, so it returns the middle elements. So let's check for the even length. So here what I will do, I will just remove the one element. Now let's execute. Yeah, we got the average of the two middle element. 3 plus 4 is 7, and the average of this 7 is 3.5. Okay. Yeah, okay. So if you like the video, do subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.